Ever feel like working out is just one more thing on your to-do list, especially when gym memberships are pricey or the gym's way across town? Trust me, I get it. That's why today I'm breaking down how you can build a legit home gym without breaking the bank. More and more people are turning to home fitness, and for good reason. No commute, no monthly fees, and you get to pick the playlist. Think a home gym is only for people with a big budget or a spare room? Not true. I'm going to show you how anyone, yes, even you, can set up a space that works for your goals and your wallet. First up, get clear on your fitness goals. Are you after strength training, cardio, flexibility, or maybe a bit of everything? Knowing your priorities helps you avoid splurging on stuff you'll never use. Next, be honest about your space. Whether it's a corner of your living room or a tiny balcony, you can make it work. And of course, figure out your budget. When it comes to equipment, think outside the box. Browse online marketplaces for used dumbbells or benches. Lots of gyms sell off old gear for cheap. Or, get creative with DIY. Milk jugs for weights, a sturdy chair for step-ups, or resistance bands that fit in any drawer. And don't forget, bodyweight exercises and park workouts are 100% free. Maximize your space with smart storage, shelves, hooks, even baskets to keep things tidy. Add a mirror, pump up your favorite playlist, and boom, you've got a place that motivates you to move. Pull it all together by setting up your gear, writing down your goals, and sticking to a simple schedule. The best part? Every workout is on your terms. With a home gym, you save money, save time, and best of all, you get fit your way. Ready to get started? Let's make it happen.